This thing will play, I mean, it'll play loud with the windows up, it'll play loud with the windows down, it'll play loud with the doors up.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
It's 2 American-based TNTs in a 4th order, 1 to 1.5 ratio. And we're still running the stock head unit, so we got it going through a LC7i. And then these are like 6-year-old amps.
Did you build it in the vehicle, or did you?
No, we actually, so as you see the seats are laid down right now.
Yeah.
We actually took and put the box in like on its top and slid it forward and then laid it down. And you can see those 2 lag screws right through there.
Yeah.
There's about 4 plates up under this box that actually go to the spare tire holder. And so this box is actually like
removable if you need it. Oh, it won't move.
No, it won't move.
Wow.
It's actually like bolted to the car.
That's pretty different.
So
what made you go with triangle over square?
Just different design.
Okay.
Yeah, we tried to do an inverted triangle and have it up here, but the magnets are so close together right here, it wouldn't work. So we just had to flip it down.
Okay. Yeah, I love to hear it, man. All right.
Let your seat up a little bit real fast. Yeah, let your seat up.
Oh, my bad.
It's yeah, there you go.
There we go. And you got your back seats portable.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's a little bit louder with the back seats.
Yeah.
Oh, shut off on me. It's supposed to be a little bit colder in here, but.
What was your name?
Brandon.
Brandon. Okay.
Yeah. I was about to say, and this car is for sale. So.
Yes, sir. What's your bandwidth on the box?
We tuned the port at 44 to 45. So, but with being 1 to 1.5, I mean, it can go as low as 33 right now with the LC7i because it just rolls it off.
Yeah.
But like I say, anything past that, it just rolls it flat, and you'll hear the subs moving, but they don't produce any bass.
Sure. All right.
So, but the good thing about this car, the way it's set up is I mean, we can pretty much listen to anything. So like, yeah, we tried to stay with a good stock location on everything. Like the first set of tweeters I had in here, they were actually inside here and they were sundowns. And then wanted to go with matching, so it's SSA Evil 6 inches in the door.
Okay.
And then I wanted to go with a matching pair of tweeters. So that was the only reason we went a little bit different right here.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Does it do louder with windows up or down?
This thing will play, I mean, it'll play loud with the windows up, it'll play loud with the windows down, it'll play loud with the doors open, shut, it doesn't matter.
All right.
That was another reason why I like the way that we built the box and everything, is because this car will do, like I said, I can sit here and open all the doors, and you can still hear the bass pretty good. It's not as good as it's shut, but it's still fairly loud.
Yep.
So.
All right.
What's going on with the signal out here?
There's a lot of people, so the signal's pretty rough.
Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jake Cavallo. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. We just got a Brandon's unique style system, a bandpass 4th order enclosure for a dual subwoofer setup. I'm pretty sure they were 10-inch from the TNT American base. So go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive, as well as a like goes a long way to let him know you enjoyed the walk around, as well as the video. You let me know that. Also, stay tuned for more videos. This is the show Seaport, Savannah Seaport show in 2021. Finally getting to upload it. I'm going to show y'all how it sounds. I really like the style of the port. It's definitely a little small to me, but a triangular port instead of it being an arrow port or slot like we see 98% of the time. So uniqueness, style to it. You did a good job. Mounted to the vehicle. It would not move on some unique style amplifiers that I've never really seen before. These are the Black Ice Precision Power Amplifiers. They said they were over 6 years old. So of course it is not recommended to wire and mount everything on top of the box, but of course he wanted to have his back seats to be able to go up, so he made it work with what it is. So we're about to get to the little sound demo. It is not the loudest system by no means, and it also has some copyright issues, so sorry about that, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video so far, and enjoy.
Like old classic rock.
Alright. How low? Do you have anything that plays a little lower frequency?
Yeah. Let's see. There's a signal out here.
There's a lot of people, so the signal's pretty rough.
Yeah. All right.
It's all good, man. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for showing me. Unique, different build.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. You have a good day, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.